Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing Culture Carton. If you're not familiar with this subscription box, it is a monthly men's subscription box. Every standard package includes one essential book for every bookshelf, bookcase, whatever, and also an assortment of themed men's lifestyle items. I do love this box personally, even as a woman. I think it's great. I love the books. That's true. That is the truth. So anyway, these boxes are $45, and then I do have a coupon code TREE that'll get you 20% off your first box. There is also, you can just subscribe to the book for $16 a month, or you can get just the lifestyle items for $35 a month. I will link to them down below. They do send this to me for review. I will also link to my full review on my blog, where we'll go in depth. We'll do a price breakdown, but we do that here too when we look at the insert, because as you're going to see, this is their January box. They do tell you the price of each of the items included on this little insert card. So I will share that with you at the end, but we're not going to give it away for ourselves. We're not like that. We're not those kinds of people. We're not those guys. All right, first up I see a tie. And this has like a tiny paisley kind of pattern to it. It looks like a skinny tie, but it's not, I don't think. It's navy, like really deep navy. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. So it's blue, red, white, and red. So there's that. We'll look at who makes. Let me actually, I'm just going to take it out of this plastic. Why keep it in there, right? This is from Ann Ivy Copenhagen. No, Copenhagen. And then I guess you're supposed to roll it up. I'll let my husband do that. All right. Next up, is anybody using ties right now? I guess some people are. They have to be, but most people are working from home, but still. You're eventually going to need it. So then we have a pair of socks. You guys know I love me some socks. All right, these are from Unsimply Stitched. This is a new to me brand. I've never heard of them. Oh, it's right here on the front. Made in Los Angeles. So these are just like a dark, kind of like a cornflower blue with a little light blue polka dot. And then the toes and the elastic part is blue as well. Hey, fun fact about me. Some guy on my dad's side of the family years and years ago came up with this. It was his idea to come do this. However, he wasn't a very rich man, and the company that he worked for stole it. This is the truth. My grandmother told me. Actually, she could have made that up, but I don't think so. I think it's true. I think it's true. Who would make that up? He came up with sock elastic. Anyway, I just thought of that as I was talking. All right, next up, it looks like a pocket square. This is from Alara. Oh, it says pocket square right there. So on the back here, it tells you how to fold. There's a classic, there's a peaked, and then there's the unconstructed. So this is a simple white with a blue piping around the edges. Very pretty, formal, and all three of your items will work together, the socks, the tie, and the pocket square. So that is super neat. All right, and then we're going to get to this item here, which is, I don't know what it is. Oh, this is from Wolf Project. That's a new to me brand. This must be a men's skincare line. I'm not as familiar with men's skincare as I am women's, but I like that men's skincare has less ingredients. Like, it's just like simple. It's very basic, and I think there's something to be said for that. So these are sheet masks, deep skin hydration with vitamin B3 and tea tree. Ooh, tea tree is awesome. You gotta watch out. Like, if you have dry skin like me, it can dry you out. But sometimes I need one just to really get rid of some of the redness. All right. So there are, how many are in here? I'm trying to see. I was listening to music right before this, so I'm singing in my head. There's probably 5, I'm guessing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I called it. What do I win? Something good. Tell me something good. All right, so there's that. I will definitely try these out. I love that green too. Isn't that cool? You never see women's skincare with cool colors like that. All right, then there's a lot in this box. There's also a lapel pin. Oh, I love this. It's a deer, but I'm gonna pretend that it's a caribou because the caribou is my spirit animal. And do you see the resemblance? Do you see a resemblance to a caribou? Just give me a break here. All right, so this is a lapel pin that will work with your other items. I think that's super neat. I don't know who that's from yet, but we'll look at the end. All right, here's our book for the month. My favorite, most bestest part. This is Chicago by David Mamet, a novel. So I'm guessing this is set in a mobbed up 1920s Windy City. Chicago is the first novel from David. I have plastic on my phone. Sounds go. Be gone. David Mamet is more than 2 decades. In more than 2 decades. An electrifying saga of retribution, double cross, and honor across the canvas of metropolis of a metro. We're going to just take that back a second. Of a metropolis peopled by the corrupt, the cynical, and the deceived. I should probably just go slower. Let my mind say the word and then say it. From its opening fusillade to its astonishing conclusion, Chicago is a page-turning thriller of the highest literary order. So that sounds cool. This is more something that I wouldn't read. I would let my husband read this because I'm not into mom stuff. But that's okay. This is for men. All right. So we're going to look at our insert and see the retail value of the box. All right. All right. So the book is $18. The wolf face masks are $25. That's $5 a mask. That's a really good deal. The ivy tie and ivy tie. Oh, that's the tie. I feel like I'm not on point here today, and I'm sorry for that. It's $25. The pocket square is $18. The lapel pin is from Weekend Casual, and that's $16. And then the socks are $12. So what's on my hand? I don't know. The total value of the box is $114. Like I said, I will link down below to Culture Carton so you can check them out. And I'll also link to my review on my blog as always. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.